EAS just in. A Category 2 storm is heading into the east of the county, with the possibility of strong thunder and lightning. We advise viewers to stay inside until the storm's passed. Boring. Is there anything else on?
To last 10 minutes and 50 seconds.
A fireworks warning has been issued for your area.
The National Weather Service has issued a firework warning for New York County, London County, Saturday University County, Texas County. The fireworks start explosion at 5:24 p.m. To take shelter immediately in the alarmed line.
Mình mới